Good morning and welcome, dear students, in online English video class. Today we are going to continue chapter number 5, verb, tense and time, in which we had completed exercise A to C, and today we are going to complete exercise number D to H. So without waste of time, let us begin the class. Children, you can see that here it is written exercise number D is saying that complete these sentences using continuous, perfect and perfect continuous form of the verbs given in brackets. Some may have then one answer. Okay, exercise D. Okay, so let us see what is given in first. Your first sentence says that she dash leave for Colombo next week. Okay, so here the answer will be she is leaving for Colombo next week. Second says I dash tell you not to open the cabinet but you still did. Answer will be I had told you not to open the cabinet but you still did. Okay, number 3. Number 3. It is surprising that you dash not meet Mr. Jones yet. Here the answer will be it is surprising that you have not met Mr. Jones yet. Okay. Now answer 4. They said they dash come to the city last month. Answer will be they said they had come to meet this evening. Okay, there are some changes in new book. So according to new book I have written here, they said that they come to the city last month. Okay, answer will be had come to the city last month. Okay, number 5 is given. Number 5 says we decide to leave earlier but changed our mind later. Here the answer will be we had decided to leave earlier but changed our mind later. Number 6, she dash walked about all night in her room and has still rested. Okay, so answer C will be 6 will be she was walking about all night in her room and has still not rested. Okay, answer number 7. I dash think about you when you called. So here the answer will be I was thinking about you when you called. Okay, now number 8. We dash work here for so long. Answer will be we have been working here for so long. Now let us talk on ninth one. 9 says I dash think of moving to my hometown. Here there will be two answers. Both answer will be correct. First says I am thinking of moving to my hometown. Another will be I have been thinking of moving to my hometown. Now let's see 10th one. Good news. We are going to Nalanda next month. Okay, we are going to Nalanda next month. 11th. The doctor dash perform a critical operation right now. Answer will be the doctor is performing a critical operation right now. Clear? Now answer number 12. Why dash you lock the cupboard again? So answer will be there are two answers here again. Why are you locking the cupboard again? Another will be why have you locked the cupboard again? Okay. Now number 13. So 13 says we complained about the lack of facilities. Let's find where to improve things. Okay, here the answer will be we have been complaining about the lack of facility. Let's find ways to improve things. Okay, now 14 answer. Should I tell you more than once to be careful? You need to heed her advice. Okay, so the answer will be she has been telling you more than once to be careful. You need to heed her advice. And the last says 15. They dash warn us for quite some time now. Let's listen to them. Answer will be they have been warning us for quite some time. Let's listen to them. So children, we have completed here exercise number D. Now come on exercise E. So your exercise is saying that to fill in the blanks with the specific future forms of the verb in brackets. Okay. First will be I dash call you tonight to discuss this. You have to change it into future continuous tense, and future continuous format will be will plus will or shall plus be plus ing form. So answer will be I will be calling you tonight to discuss this morning. Second, By next year I dash study for 7 years in this school. You have to change it into future perfect continuous. Here the answer will be, by the next year I will have been studying for 7 years in this school. Okay. Now number 3. Number 3 is saying, she dash address a large crowd tomorrow morning. You have to change it into future continuous. Answer will be, she will be addressing a large crowd tomorrow morning. Then fourth. Okay, here the fourth says, by next week I dash complete my project. You have to change it into future perfect. So the answer will be, by next week I will have completed my project. Now number 5. They dash go for a swim in the river as soon as they reach the resort. In simple future you have to change into, it's very easy to change, will or shall plus base form of the verb we have to use here. So answer will be, they will go for a swim in the river as soon as they reach the resort. Number 6. In 5 years time we dash study in college. In future continuous we have to change. Okay, now see the answer. In 5 years time we will be studying in college. 7th answer, by the time my mother comes home today I dash clean the house. Okay, you have to change it into future perfect. Answer will be, by the time my mother comes home today I will have cleaned the house. Okay, now 8. When she arrives I dash dance for 2 hours. You have to change it into future perfect continuous. Here the answer says that, when she arrives I will have been dancing for 2 hours. Okay, question number 8. I will have been dancing for 2 hours. Okay, 9 says that, by the end of the month they dash construct the flyover. Okay, so answer will be, you have to change it into perfect future perfect tense. So here the answer says, by the end of the month they will have constructed the flyover. Okay, here the tense says that, she dash not sing in the concert tomorrow. In future continuous you have to change, and the answer will be like that, she will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. So dear student, here we have completed exercise number E. Now let us proceed on exercise F. Exercise F is saying, fill in the blanks and complete the following sentences with the most suitable forms of verb given in the bracket. Okay, some may have more than one answer. So first says, the school planned its annual day celebration. Answer will be, the school has planned. Okay. Second, we dash be all pretty excited about upcoming concert. Answer will be, we are all pretty excited about upcoming concert. Number 3, we dash make plans for lively recital. Answer will be, they have made plans for a lively recital. Number 4, the principal dash sincerely hope everything fall into place. Answer will be, the principal sincerely. Okay, so the first blank we do not use anything. Okay, the principal sincerely hopes everything will fall into place. 5 answer, I believe my hard work will pay off ultimately. So answer will be same, I believe my hard work will pay off ultimately. Number 6. Number 6 is, the school choir will be performing at the annual musical concert in February next year. Number 7. We see the sun during daytime and stars appear at night. So see and appear will be answer. Number 8. Normally my school start at 8 a.m. but in winter we start rather late. Answer says, normally my school starts at 8 p.m. and then after, but in winter it is start rather late. Now 9th, children either walk to school or travel by bus. So answer will be walk and travel. Now 10. Usually I wake up at 5 a.m. but I dash wake up late this morning. Answer will be, usually I wake up at 5 a.m. but I woke up late in this morning. Answer number 12 or 11. The moon looked pale today. Yesterday it was brighter. Answer will be the moon looks pale today. Yesterday it was brighter. Okay. 12. Winter holiday begin next week and my school reopen on the 1st of next month. Answer will be begin and reopens. Okay. Winter holidays begin next week and my school reopens on the 1st of next month. Clear? Now 13. 13 is my birthday comes. Okay. Comes on 15th of August. It is always a holiday. So comes and is. 14. The president inaugurates the sanitary function of the school on Sunday and it is a year long celebration of them. So here will be inaugurates and is the answer. 15 will be expenses are, okay, here it is written expenses are always high and our expenditure hardly comes down. Okay, so R and down is the R and comes is the answer. And the last says the basketball team will be playing at the state level in coming days. Those players lost the match last year, so they have been practicing really hard from the day one for the coming tournament. Okay, the captain wants to win this time. So will be playing, lost, have been practicing and wants. These four are the blank that you have to fill. So dear children, now in this way we have completed exercise number D. Okay, in which point number 1 to 15, and then after exercise C, in which we have completed 1 to 10, and then exercise F, in which 1 to 16 is completed. So by the next class I just want to tell you, try to do all exercises in your book. And now we have finished this chapter completely. In the next class I will try to solve exercise of chapter number 4, that is verb transitive and intransitive. So all the study materials have been already sent on Campus Care. You can go and just take the study material of this chapter. The exercises are left, so we will be focused on these exercises. Okay, so by the time, thank you so much and take care of yourself.